Welcome back to the Fix It channel. Today we're going to hang a chandelier in our entry area. It presented some challenges because of the high ceiling, which was 18 feet, and the weight of the chandelier, which probably over 200 pounds. So in this video we're going to show how to set up a scaffolding that we rented from Home Depot. And at the end, we'll show some tools that we use to lift the chandelier. I don't know exactly how these go together, so. No. Down. Okay, one. There you go. Excuse me. Here you go. Rails. I need the rails. Alright, I'm cross bracing to make it not so wobbly. And then the straps. And it helped a lot.
Yeah, it did.
Alright, well, it's wobbly, so we're going to go put more cross bracing with some straps, and then I'm going to go up here and take this off and then put that one on. We'll go from there.
Okay. That looks a lot more stable. Good job.
Thank you. Yay.
Yay. You should put light bulbs in it. Be sure it works before you take all that down.
Yep. That's right. One heavy lamp.
Mm-hmm. It's looking good. Here's another one. Wait for another one. How many people does it take to screw in a light bulb, honey, and hang a chandelier?
At least two.
At least.
Okay, the chandelier was extremely heavy, so I had to buy a winch, and I purchased this worn winch. It's cable. It lifts 500 pounds. It doesn't have a motor on it, so it's driven by a drill, and I use the DeWalt 20-volt battery. Of course, the drill drives the gearing, and then it lifted it. So this is a handy tool to have. And I hope that you enjoyed the video. If you did, give me a like. Subscribe for more content in the future. And remember, if it's broke or your wife wants it changed, fix it.